Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. In this video, I'm just going to create one of the scanner based on Camarilla. So last video we created R5. So this video we try to create a S5 scanner. So based on a Camarilla S5, we can try for finding a support where the stock which taken a support. But in this video, I'm just going to try for a 15 minutes reversal on the S5 level. So already we created some scanners in charting that would be available on our premium group. So in that premium group, whatever the new scanners and my old scanners that was not available in my YouTube. So I will be privately sharing on that group. So if you want to access all my premium scanner, so like a swing trading, positional and BTSC kind of things and intraday breakouts. So like a Camarilla, CPR and ADR also be the one of the scanner which I used. So such a kind of scanners links are available on that group. So you can access with the copy and edit, right? So you maybe use it for your own use and you can access all my premium scanners. So whatever the scanner which I created yesterday, that is also be shared on this group. So here I'm not going to provide my scanner, but I can show you, but I'm just creating the scanner based on my custom coding. So and then I was creating the scanner. So normally that R5 and H5 or S5 or L5 which is not available on charting. So we need to create based on the custom indicator. So after creating the custom indicator, we can develop a coding or we can create a conditions based on whatever the logic we have. So last video and we created a scanner based on the R5. So I'm just going to show you how we can utilize for a S5 or H5, sorry, L5. So based on our custom code. For example, how do I find out the daily time frame, the support or rejection from that level? Okay, so I should simply create a scanner. So we may based on the condition, the open of that particular candle is must be daily. I'm just talking about daily time frame. The daily open should be greater than the Camarilla S5. So already we created. So even resistance 6 also we already created. In this case, I'm just using for a support. So I always use for a 1 day ago Camarilla. Why? Because of this calculation is based on the previous day's value. So if I'm using today's level, it may be showing for a tomorrow. So if I'm just looking at this condition, along with one more condition, I'm just going to add in this thing. Should be the day low should be less than day low must be less than 1 day ago Camarilla support 5. So what I'm exactly looking for a stock which taken a support at Camarilla L5 level. For an example, the stock which the L5 level or S5 whatever, the candle should be open here and the low should be less than, okay, and the same candle must be closed above to the open. So maybe a positive candle, that would be a clear idea for rejection. Okay, so the close of that particular day candle should be greater than the open. So maybe it is a green and candle. So that will help us to find out a stock which taken a support. I think a lot of stocks, the day low is less than 1 day ago Camarilla support 5. Let me check. So a lot of stock will came. Let me try. So it is an equity, right? So maybe Bharat Force. Let me track. And that was giving you such a good move today. On daily time frame, we are looking for on a daily time frame. Now, you can see this is what a day level. I think 9th May to 8th May, 8 to 9, 8 to 9, 8 to 9. Yeah. This is a 1 day level. So today's or maybe you can look at a 15 minutes time frame. Today level is 1213 and the day low where it is made 1213.80, sorry, 1209. Today is low is less than and it is closed greater than. So that is what an exact condition which I am looking for. It taken a S5 support and closed positively, but this will not, we will take this for a tomorrow's trade opportunity, but on the same day we can't use it. So we will try for a previous one. So these are all the stocks. Let me try for an future and option stocks, maybe very low quantity. So these are all the stocks which forming today. So let's save the scan. Okay, so previous backtest result. So maybe that will help us to take a April 25th Britannia and Nifty. So that will help you. Nifty on daily time frame. Here 25th. Here is the D. Here that was taken as support and closed above. After that, we are looking for a continuation that will gives you some movement. Okay, on daily time frame, I'm just looking for Britannia. Whether it is working or not, so we're just checking whether our condition is right. So it's a BSE. Fifth. Yeah, there is a lower level rejection. That level is around 476, and then we have some continuation. So instead of that, we can utilize this on a 15 minutes time frame. So same condition we have to change it. Okay. So 15 minutes time frame. Already we created based on the 15 minutes only. So everything would be same, and we don't need this condition. Okay. So let me run. So we have Muthoot Finance, and you can see this is what important update. So if you are multiple conditions, if you are using, that will be give you a repaint. So we are not using a multiple conditions. So that you should understand some of the stocks after the rally, it will be there in the list. But before the rally, that would be not available on this list. So many people who asked me, and trade this charting already given you the explanation for that. Okay. So here we have some stocks randomly we check in today at 10:15. HDFC Bank and Bharat Forge. Let me check HDFC Bank in 15 minutes time frame we used 10:15. Here is the 10:15, maybe here. There is a 10:15. This is a candle where it is 10:15. It was taken a support and it is closed above to the level, but I should focus for above to this candle high. So that is what a support. Then it is, should be a breakout. That has not happened. Maybe a second candle we can use it less than and greater than also we can use it. So a lot of condition we can create after creating the scanners, but it is a rejection from that S5 level. So second one is Bharat Forge, right? Let me check what is happening. Here is the candle, and also it looks like a doji candle. So where you can see it's an exact doji. Sorry, 10-15 candle. This is the 10-15 candle. This eye it is broken, and maybe it's giving you such a good move. So we can't expect that kind of move, but it will be sure it is going to reach the R4 or R5 level. But unfortunately, this stock is moving such a big thing. So, but it is not happen all the stocks. Asian Paint. So what is happening on Asian Paint? So here at what the time is Asian Paint and the same 10:15. So here is the candle. Okay, so one it is greater than and it is less than condition we are used. So one more thing yesterday we created same like that the openness must be less than and should be greater than. So this will fetch you. It will be open below and closed above. 15 minutes. 15 minutes open less than and close greater than, not low. Okay, this is what extra days R4 scanner which you have created, R5 scanner. Now it is an S5 for some of the stocks which forming is such a pattern. You can see very few and Voltas, HDFC Bank, Bharat Forge at 10:45. Previously you are looking at 10:15 candle, but it is showing you 10:45 candle. What it's showing on HDFC Bank. So based on the condition that we are looking for here, this candle, but this is what a candle exactly the open below to the Camarilla S5 and close above. So maybe I can take a breakout above the level and below this candle low as a stop loss, maybe a very small stop loss at the lowest level. Okay, that should be a great idea. So, but in this case, it is triggers our stop loss. And the stock, second stock is Bharat Forge at 10:45. If you are looking at Bharat Forge, 10:45. So 10:45. Here is the candle. Okay, in this case, it's a big move. And the high of this candle is 1217 and 12125 rupees is the risk. And after that high, and keep the low of that particular candle. In this case, this works very well compared to HDFC. And Voltas would be there in the case on Voltas on that same time here. One more time, it is happening here that high. and the second time it is happening here, this high could be a breakout somewhere 1310, maybe the low is a stop loss almost 1287, and now it is closing at this level. Maybe this one higher the time frame we can utilize for a positional also. And let me go for, this is a chance Asian paint 12 o'clock. Okay, so the condition is very important. So how do you create a condition? That's very important. Asian paints 12 o'clock, this one, and maybe a small stop loss got triggered. So that support or resistance, it is a key levels where the market is retracing at the level or bouncing the level. So we can easily filter out with the such a kind of scanners that will helping you to find out something. So and weekly also we can utilize if any stocks which forming you weekly and daily time frame. So but we will save this as per yesterday's scanner. So we are doing this, and reversal at the 15 minutes time frame at the bottom, or you can use the positional also maybe sometimes. So maybe JSW is still 3 5 12 30. Okay, so let me check JSW still 3 5 12 30. So maybe at this point, so here the high is not broken, but after that it moved and it is not giving you the such a good breakout, because next candle it is not moving or crossing above to the level in some of the stocks. But higher the time frame you can utilize HAL and info LNT, HAL under the, here is the point. So it is reversed and then it came down, and second time here is another opportunity. So after that it net reaching the S4 level, but in this case it is reaching today R5 level. So from S3 to R5, that was more today. So that's such a good movement happening on this particular stock. So we are trying to find at the bottom and try to find out a reversal at the top. So that is what the main concept which I'm using on my scanners and screeners. I hope you enjoyed this session. Thank you for watching, and this scanner also will be uploaded on our premium group. Thank you so much, and if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more updates. Thank you.